If your diesel truck has suddenly lost its punch or your engine braking feels like it has completely disappeared during a heavy tow, you might be staring at a P2080 code. This specific diagnostic code refers to the exhaust gas temperature sensor circuit range or performance on bank 1 sensor 1. This sensor is usually found in the up pipe right before the catalytic converter or the diesel particulate filter, and its whole purpose is to protect those expensive components from melting down due to extreme heat. It works as a heat-sensitive resistor that changes its resistance based on how hot the exhaust gas is, allowing the computer to adjust engine timing or fuel ratios to keep things safe. For diesel engines, this sensor is critical for the regeneration process of the diesel particulate filter. If the computer sees a voltage signal that does not make sense compared to the actual engine conditions, it will lock the system and turn on the check engine light. You might not feel many symptoms at first, but over time, a failing sensor can lead to a clogged filter and a very expensive repair. The most frequent causes are loose or corroded electrical connectors, broken wires that have been vibrating against the frame, or simply a sensor that has reached the end of its life after thousands of heat cycles. If you have recently installed an aftermarket exhaust system without a spot for the sensor, that will also trigger the code. To fix this, you should raise your vehicle and find the sensor between the manifold and the converter. It looks like a small plug with two wires coming out of it. Use a DVOM to check the resistance. A healthy sensor should show around 150 ohms. You can even test it by using a heat gun and watching the resistance drop as it gets hotter. If the resistance stays the same or shows 0, the sensor is toast. You should also check for a solid 5-volt signal coming from the computer side of the harness. If you are not getting power from the computer or if your diesel particulate filter is starting to clog up, you definitely need to get your truck to a professional technician. Keeping your exhaust sensors in top shape is the only way to ensure your truck stays powerful and clean for the long haul.